Now AI doesn't just follow instructions. It thinks, plans, and takes action on its own. That's right. AI is evolving at an astonishing pace, transforming industries and reshaping the way we interact with technology. Studies predict that by 2025, over 90% of businesses will integrate AI-driven automation. But that's just the beginning. In this video, we'll explore the rise of Agentic AI, a groundbreaking shift in artificial intelligence. No longer just a passive tool, AI is now becoming an autonomous decision-maker, capable of learning, adapting, and making choices without human intervention. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. So, are you ready to uncover the shocking rise of Agentic AI? Let's find out what it means for the future of technology, business, and even society as a whole. Let's begin with the evolution of AI from chatbots to independent thinkers. In the early days, AI manifested as simple rule-based chatbots like Eliza in the 1960s. These systems could mimic human conversation by following predefined scripts, but they lacked understanding and adaptability. Their interactions were limited to the patterns programmed into them, offering little in terms of genuine comprehension or learning. As computational power increased and machine learning techniques matured, AI systems evolved into more sophisticated conversational agents. Models like OpenAI's GPT series and Google's BERT utilized large-scale datasets to understand and generate human-like text. These models could engage in more natural and context-aware conversations, providing users with relevant information and assistance. However, despite their advancements, they remained reactive, responding to user inputs without initiating actions or making autonomous decisions. The current frontier in AI development is Agentic AI, characterized by systems that not only understand and generate text, but also exhibit autonomy in decision-making and action-taking. Unlike their predecessors, Agentic AI systems can set goals, strategize, and execute tasks without explicit human commands. This shift transforms AI from a passive tool into an active participant capable of self-directed behavior. What is Agentic AI, and how is it different from ChatGPT? Unlike ChatGPT, which waits for you to ask a question, Agentic AI takes the lead. It doesn't just sit back and respond. It makes decisions, solves problems, and plans ahead, all on its own. Think about a smart warehouse. Instead of a manager constantly checking stock levels and placing orders, Agentic AI does it all automatically. It keeps track of inventory, reorders supplies before they run out, and adjusts delivery schedules if something gets delayed. No waiting, no human intervention. It just gets the job done. The biggest difference between Agentic AI and ChatGPT? ChatGPT reacts. Agentic AI thinks ahead. It learns from experience, adapts over time, and figures out the best way to achieve a goal without needing constant instructions. Meanwhile, ChatGPT just answers questions when asked. It doesn't act on its own. And this isn't some futuristic dream. It's already happening. Companies are using Agentic AI to handle customer service, automate business processes, and even assist doctors by organizing patient records and scheduling appointments. Big names like Amazon are jumping on board, exploring how it can streamline operations and increase efficiency. So, just think about an AI that doesn't just remind you of a meeting. It reschedules conflicts, books your flights, drafts emails, and organizes your entire day without you lifting a finger. That's Agentic AI. It's not just helping, it's acting, and it's changing the game for good. Now, let's take a look at some of the most mind-blowing advancements in Agentic AI that are already here. Now that we know AI is evolving beyond simple responses and becoming more independent, let's explore some groundbreaking projects that are redefining what AI can do. Let's start with AutoGPT. Unlike traditional AI that only responds when asked, AutoGPT creates its own prompts and executes multi-step tasks without human guidance. It can set goals, break them into smaller tasks, and adjust its approach dynamically. Imagine asking AI to launch a business. It could research ideas, develop strategies, and even execute tasks automatically. Next is Baby AGI, an AI that acts like a real assistant, prioritizing and managing tasks without needing constant direction. Unlike AI that follows fixed instructions, Baby AGI adapts in real time, helping with scheduling, project management, and workflow automation, making it a useful tool for businesses and personal productivity. Then there's OpenAI's upcoming AI agents, designed to be even more independent than ChatGPT. Instead of just responding to questions, these agents will be able to plan, execute tasks, and make decisions entirely on their own, opening up new possibilities in business, research, and everyday life. Now, let's talk about Meta's Project Karaoke. This AI continuously improves itself and makes smarter decisions in conversations. Unlike traditional chatbots, Karaoke refines its responses, understands complex topics better, and provides more human-like interactions, making AI-powered communication smoother and more intuitive. Lastly, we have DeepMind's AlphaCode, an AI built for coding and software development. Instead of just generating code, it can write, test, and debug programs without needing an expert developer. This allows AI to assist in building software, fixing bugs, and optimizing performance with minimal human input. These projects aren't just experiments. They are actively reshaping the way AI works. Instead of simply assisting humans, AI is now able to think, act, and solve problems on its own, transforming industries like business, healthcare, and technology. Since AI has started to getting things done autonomously, there are some questions that come to mind. Could AI become fully autonomous? Can AI truly act without us? The answer? Well, we're closer than you think. No doubt, artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing toward greater autonomy, moving beyond simple tasks to complex decision-making without human intervention. In the financial sector, AI systems analyze vast datasets to detect anomalies and optimize processes. For instance, AI-driven payment automation ensures timely transactions, flags potential fraud, and suggests early payment discounts, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Similarly, in logistics, companies like Swap are leveraging AI to streamline operations. Swap's AI-powered platform consolidates functions such as cross-border shipping, order tracking, and inventory forecasting, enabling brands to predict trends and demand effectively. AI is also advancing in complex decision-making through multi-agent systems, where multiple AI agents collaborate to solve intricate problems. These systems are particularly effective in scenarios requiring negotiation, planning, and coordination, similar to human teams. For example, in supply chain management, multi-agent systems can optimize routes, manage inventory, and respond to real-time changes, thereby enhancing efficiency and responsiveness. Beyond individual tasks, AI is learning to collaborate and form its own workflows. By sharing information and strategies, AI agents can adapt to new situations and make decisions beyond their initial programming. This collective intelligence allows for more robust and flexible operations, as seen in applications like autonomous vehicle coordination and smart grid management. Additionally, AI is evolving to set its own objectives and achieve them independently. In the financial sector, autonomous agents use machine learning to analyze market trends, news, and economic indicators, rapidly adapting their strategies based on new information. This capability enables AI to perform tasks such as trading with speed and accuracy that can surpass human capabilities. These advancements indicate that AI is not just following instructions, but is increasingly capable of independent thought and action. From automating complex tasks to making critical decisions, AI is shaping the way we work, communicate, and solve problems. But with this rapid advancement comes a pressing question. What happens when AI makes the wrong call? If AI is responsible for approving loans, evaluating job applications, or diagnosing medical conditions, what happens when it makes a mistake? Who is accountable when an AI system denies someone a life-saving procedure or falsely flags an innocent person as a security threat? As AI starts setting its own goals and making autonomous decisions, can we fully control its actions? Or will it develop conflicting interests that don't always align with human intentions? These concerns become even more critical when AI is placed in charge of financial markets, military systems, or essential infrastructure. How do we ensure it remains accountable, unbiased, and aligned with ethical standards? One of the biggest challenges is AI bias. Since these models learn from human data, they can inherit and even amplify existing discrimination and misinformation. Without careful oversight, AI could reinforce social inequalities rather than eliminate them. Another issue is the loss of control. As AI becomes more independent, predicting and regulating its actions becomes harder. Will humans always remain in charge? Or could AI eventually surpass us in decision-making authority? As AI becomes increasingly capable of managing entire systems, we must ensure it doesn't become too unpredictable or unmanageable. The AI revolution isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating. What seemed like science fiction just a few years ago is becoming reality at an astonishing pace. Will agentic AI be the greatest breakthrough in human history? Or are we stepping into unknown territory without fully understanding the risks? Are we shaping AI, or is AI shaping us? What do you think? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our next video dives into an AI breakthrough you won't want to miss.